Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Welcome learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi and we continue with our topic of discussion, and this is classification 2, a topic in biology form 3. Today I would like us to get into the classes of kingdom Plantae, and specifically I would like us to discuss class Bryophyta. So in the class Bryophyta is where we earlier said that we have the least advanced plants in the kingdom Plantae, and we have examples include mosses, also known as the moss plant, and the liverworts. The liverworts. These are very small plants that are just a few centimeters in size, The next thing that we look at are the characteristics. In terms of the characteristics, we say that some of the members of the class Bryophyta are differentiated into roots, stem, and leaves. For example, the mosses or the moss plant is differentiated. An example of Funaria. Liverworts are undifferentiated. You cannot tell that this is the stem and these are the leaves. It's not differentiated. So the one that is not differentiated, we use the term thalloid. Thalloid means undifferentiated. So we can basically say that some, e.g. the moss, are differentiated into roots, stem, and leaves. They are differentiated, while liverworts are undifferentiated. Undifferentiated, what we refer to as thalloid. Thalloid means undifferentiated.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.